Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to set up a review section on Shopify so customers can leave feedback directly on your store. This makes it easy for your customers to share their thoughts. Now, to allow customer reviews, we need to install a review app. Here's how. Go to the Shopify admin after logging in, then select apps from the left sidebar. In the App Store, search for a review app like Product Reviews by Shopify. And type in Product Reviews from Shopify, and you can search it in the App Store. Now the apps will appear. You can choose which one you want. As soon as you make your choice, install it. You just click on it and install it. I'll use the Judge Me Products app. I have it already installed. Now, after adding the app, let's set up a customer review submission. Open the review app and look for settings or review option. I'll just open the app. Here it's taking some time. It's very useful. This app is not paid, it's free, so you can use it. Unlike the other apps in the Shopify App Store, this app is free to use. Now, search the settings and see review options. Toggle on the option to allow customers to leave a review. Let's see where you can do that. You can select customer rewards and customer account settings, reviews. Click here. And you can enable store listing or disable it. You can modify the store's information here. Also, here you can add reviews, questions and answers, etc. Now, after you toggle on the option to allow your customers to leave a review, customize any review requirements, such as minimum length or moderation settings. Finally, let's add this to your product page. Go to Online Store in the left-hand sidebar and select Themes. After that, click on Customize next to the three dots. In the theme editor, go to a product page layout and add the product review section and save it. You can add this by clicking on Add Section, name it Product Review. You can add the section, you can choose which format you want the section to be, then name the title Product Review. And you can customize your colors, layouts, fonts, etc. Don't forget to save after making all these changes. And that's it. There you go. Customers can now leave reviews on your product pages. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. See you in the next tutorial.